was there.
Guwapo siya.
Sige ko, John.
Oh my gosh, Mama Luz! Ay, ayaw namin.
Where are the other three? Where are the other three? Their former housemate?
Kami manggugulo.
Chigoy!
Mama Luz! Mama Luz! Saan nyo na yan?
Mama Luz, ang sexy mo!
Laki na naman nung... Mama Luz!
Mama Luz!
Ladies, talk
to
them.
I'm saying, bahala kayo.
Not talking to them either. Sorry, it's not gonna work.
Hello, bumibisita lang po.
That's why Kuya said, don't do it.
Sige!
Painom mo na, sintok.
Bigyan nyo lang kami pagkain kahit hindi nyo papapasukin.
We don't have any food.
Wala kami weekly budget.
Wala kaming pakain, sorry. Hi, Luz. No. No, sorry. Sorry. No.
Dude!
No.
Pwede naman natin yung bantayan eh.
Wala sinabi si Kuya.
Hindi, pero wala rin naman yung sinabi hindi natin papasukin.
And we were supposed to protect the box.
Oh, we can protect the box, pero bisita yan natin eh. Bakit tayo natin papasukin? Pare ko,
No.
tanda mo yung mga turo ni Kuya? Di ba? Ano?
Hindi, sabi ni Kuya, buksan lang daw, pwede lang buksan pag may agad.
Buksan nyo yan, oh. Mga bisita yan ni Kuya eh. Hindi.
No.
Katulad lang yan dun sa Big Wheel Uniter.
Majority decision.
Oo nga, pero sabihin ko, kailangan natin buksan yan.
No.
Hindi. Sangayon ako sa dalawa, hindi.
No, no way.
Hindi.
Naalala ko dati pag may mga bisita si Kuya, tinanong niya, bakit hindi?
I
Pinapas.
don't think so.
Hindi. Kung galing confession room yan.
No. Sorry.
Papasukin natin yan.
Kukuha natin lahat
Oo.
yan. Papasukin natin sila.
Naalala ko dati.
Sandali.
Pag
Ang
may
sinabi ni
bisita
Kuya sa akin kagabi,
Ayaw nila.
pwede lang niyo buksan pag bumibigay siya ng hudyat.
Nagsabi siya na kailangan may hudya.
Yun, yung gate na yun.
Ikaw, decision nyo.
Ano,
As
decision
human beings, may mga bisita.
Sorry.
Bisita yan ni Kuya.
Yeah, visitor.
Sorry.
No, sorry.
Not allowed to
Kami hindi.
Sorry.
hear, right?
Obvious na obvious,
Very obvious.
Obvious. Ako, sa tingin ko, bisita yan. Kailangan natin buksan.
Whoever wants to hang out with the visitas, go outside and hang out.
Oo.
Pero they're not allowed inside.
Nope, sorry.
Hindi.
See? Everyone wants to come in.
You're giving our food?
No, that's our food. Pero that's from the kitchen.
That's our food, though.
That's from... Ganito ba pagtanggap sa mga...
Yeah, our food.
Yeah.
Anong mangyayari?
We have no food.
Yeah, that is our food, right?
Alala niyo yung isang task, yung nakaunggoy yung costume sa some of the PBB seasons. Tinanong niya bakit ganyan yung trinatong bisita ko. Bisita yan ni Kuya. Kung yan lang ang problema natin, pwede natin i-protect yan. Marami tayo. Marami din sila. Nakatali pa yan.
Well, why would Kuya tell us...
Hindi rin natin alam kung ito rin ang weekly task
Yeah,
natin.
pero why would Kuya tell us to lock the door, though?
It's a test. Kung anong magiging decision natin.
Magtitiwala
Kung magtitiwala tayo.
Pag-decision na lang natin.
Kaya nga, ang maganda, upuan natin lahat yan, may magbabantay dyan, papasukin natin sila.
Tapos,
And
Why
then...
don't the people who want to hang out with them just go outside?
Pwede rin. Basta ako
You want to go outside and hang
Sa
out
tingin ko,
with them?
kausapin naman natin mga bisita yan eh.
And hang out with them. Oh, bisita kasi yun eh.
Isa din naman sa part of the reason kung bakit siguro nilak ni Kuya yan para mag-decide tayo as a group.
Hey guys, can we go inside?
Ako, I want you guys to be here.
Yeah, we're just gonna visit.
Yeah, visitor, but we're not saying that.
Hindi nyo kasi na-pick up ay. Kaya nga nila katanda doon, ibig sabihin.
Please.
Oo, pero, di ba, Kuya,
put that there.
Even if they're visit here, for what? For what?
Galing confession room yan.
We have no food.
We have
Wala
no
rin
food.
kami pag-
Yeah.
Okay. As long as we let them in, this is Kuya's house. This is not our house.
I think
I don't smoke.
Oh my God.
See?
That's vibing.
Hindi ako nag-yosi dito. At saka...
Cigarette lang yan.
It's a test.
Because I'm not gonna lie, if we let them in and someone's gonna try and open that, I'm gonna get physical.
No visitors ever bring cigarettes. No visitors
I
ever
think
bring
if they
cigarettes to
visit here,
Kenta.
they will try to open.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah. So don't open the
natin
door.
mabuti.
Hindi.
Pag-usapan
Tama si
natin.
Paris later.
Oo nga, pero pag-usapan natin mabuti. Hindi ba sa tingin, okay, both ways naman kasi, pwede siya maging test. It can be a test na sabihin ni Kuya, hindi, makinig ka muna. It can be a test na sasabihin ni Kuya, sige, lock niyo yan, pero magpapalabas siya ng bisita tapos may box. Ano, paranoid na tayo na hindi tayo magpapasok.
Well, Kuya knows that the door's already locked. Why would Kuya let them in from that section?
It's a test. It can be a test. It can be both ways. Na, kung paranoid tayo, guest niya yan. They're not our guests. This is not our house.
Pero pwede naman ito maging paranoid.
This isn't our house, so why would we let strangers come in without them being invited?
That's the point. Siya ang nagpapasok niyan, not us. Si Kuya ang nagpapasok, not us.
They're here to eat. They're just coming up from the outside world. We have no food.
Guests. That's how you treat guests?
I don't know them.
That's the
I don't
point.
know them.
But Kuya
They're
knows
strangers.
them. Kuya knows them.
Kuya knows them. I don't know them.
Exactly.
If Kuya...
This is not our house.
Hindi nga, gawin niya lang natin yan. Buwan natin, tago natin.
Kaya nga, kung yan ang
I'm not-
problema,
Papasukin
I'm not
natin
buying it.
sila.
I'm sorry. I'm not buying it.
No,
It's-
I'm just saying, guys, if you guys want to go visit them, we'll unlock them for you, but we're going to lock it again. Simple as that.
If you guys want to go hang out with
If
them,
you guys
go
want to go
ahead.
outside, then go outside. But we're going to lock the door again.
They're saying that they're hungry. Shit, we don't have food to
Oh,
even
wala
give
rin
them.
naman tayong
Even if you don't
pagkain.
They
have
have
diba?
cigarettes.
If they
They're
are
testing
guests,
us. It's a test. They're testing us.
even if we don't have food, diba? If they are
No one
guests,
ever brings
outside
cigarettes
world, so
here.
it's
Those
discussion,
visitors bring cigarettes
So-
here.
Don't open the door.
diba if they are guests, what do you do pag nasa bahay?
If they're guests.
Even if we don't have food, you give them, that's how Filipinos are.
So I could go to any random house and say, hey, listen, I'm a guest. I'm hungry. Feed me.
If you know them, we don't know them.
I don't
Kuya
know
knows
them.
Okay lang, kahit huwag nyo kami papasukin, walang problema doon, baka may task kayo. Okay lang yun, basta pagkain lang sa tubig, juice, okay na yun.
Juice. Yeah, we have plenty of juice.
Yeah.
We'll give them juice.
Ako, sa tingin ko, kailangan natin papasukin yan.
Them, but not open the door.
I don't care. I'm just...
Hintayin na lang natin hudyat ni Kuya.
The piece of paper said protect the box, nothing else. Don't open the door. I mean, it is our decision. Bro, if we...
Are they your former housemate? Are they your former housemate?
Sabihin pag nila ya. Kahit ako tanungin mo ay. Wag na. Sorry po.
Guest yan ni Kuya.
Punta doon, gusto mo magpakilala ka, labas ka.
Why does a chain lock there?
Even if nandiyan naman yung lock, bakit tayo natin makipagkilala? Diba? Ay, ang pako.
We just came here just to get to know with you, and we're just gonna
kami
we're gonna leave in a while. So it's freaking hot outside, and we're begging, and we're so hungry.
Yeah.
We don't give a damn about the box. We just wanna eat and go inside because it's hot. Maawa naman kayo.
How do you know about the box?
Sinabi ko, just now.
I'm sorry. I'm waiting for Kuya's hujat.
Sa kwarto na lang yan.
It's so hot outside.
Kasi yun nga, full guys daw sila dapat.
Ako, gusto ko kayong papasukin. Kuya, kung nakikinig po kayo, hindi pa ako kasali dyan sa decision na yan.
Oh, sigurado ba tayo anong mangyayari? Kwenta ko.
Ay, bahala.
Let's go to the room. Let's go to the room.
Ang gawin natin, punta tayo sa kwarto. Yung iba, pagbabantay niyan, yung iba
I
dito
think it's
sa
a test.
Mag-ano.
So what kung ubusin lang ang food natin? May daily supplies, ganun din naman, gulay din naman ang ano natin eh. Ang importante, pinapasok natin sila kasi guest
Oo,
sila.
ganun din, di ba?
Kung yan
We
lang,
don't have food. That's okay.
kung yan lang ang problema natin, we can all protect that.
Chicas, come on. It's so hot out.
But I'm just worried about the box. Who cares about the food? Food is food. Let's take the box into the...
Bisita yan eh.
Pasukin nyo na.
Wait, malapit, sandali lang.
Wait lang, nag-argue pa eh.
It doesn't make sense. Whatever.
Walang budget kasi.
Katulad ng big chair, hindi naman natin alam kung bakit nandoon yun. Pero later on, nalaman natin weekly task.
Kaya
Okay.
na lang papasok.
Oh, kung meron silang intention, ubusin lang food natin, so what? Ubusin lang food natin, wala naman tayong magagawa.
And it could be the exact opposite. If one of them comes in, we lose our weekly task.
We don't know yet.
Exactly.
Oh, so bakit? Pero tao naman sila. Why don't we let them in? Guest sila.
Diba? Hindi
There
natin
was
nai-
no food dyan.
Hindi naman din natin naisip. Diba kaya nilak yan na nung sa purpose?
Pero at least, ang
Our
decision natin,
decision ko, I'm gonna go stay in the boys' bedroom.
Okay then.
key.
Where's there?
Alright.
I'll get it. I'll get
Doon din
it.
ako.
I'm there too.
Oh,
I'm
bantay.
not gonna be.
Ito, dito.
They are not allowed to come in the room. Sorry.
Sandali lang.
I mean, it's okay. Feed them, but just the box is the box.
Sabi ko, doon na lang tayo.
Makikilala na lang natin sila paglabas.
I don't even know who they are.
Point ko lang ako before ko kunin yung key na yan, kung alam ko ayaw nyo, pero guess